Today I've stepped into a place where it feels like the earth itself is weeping from the cliffs, where the scent of damp soil and the murmur of cascading water transport you to another world. This is Ziarat Waterfall in Gorgan, an emerald pearl nestled in the heart of Hyrcanian forests, the world's most ancient woodlands, flowing relentlessly for millennia, never wearying of mankind's clamor. This 12-meter waterfall hides 15 kilometers south of Gorgan, veiled by dense Hyrcanian foliage. To reach it, you must wind through roads perfumed with linden and oak that intoxicate the senses. When you finally stand at its base, two things will astonish you: the water's icy bite that chills your bones even in summer, and its jade-colored pool where stones lie arranged like a master artisan's mosaic. Locals believe these falls are sacred. Some say its name comes from a nearby Amamsita shrine, while others claim its waters can cleanse sins. But I think Ziarat pilgrimage whispers a deeper truth, that sometimes we must venture into forests to worship in silence. In recent years, this waterfall has become a victim of its own popularity. Plastic waste now scars its rocks like unhealing white wounds. The blare of speakers sometimes drowns out birdsong. I wonder, do we humans first worship beautiful places only to turn them into trash heaps? If this waterfall could speak for just 1 minute, what would it say? Please let me flow in peace. Today, I'll collect a single droplet in an imaginary vial and whisper, water always finds its way, even when humans break its stones.